Hey folks, it's Mike Sylvan at Seattle Mini again, and today we're going to be enabling the digital key on Mackenzie's new Countryman S. Okay folks, so you start with all the keys and your Mini app. And then what you do next is scroll down a little bit and you're going to see Setup Digital Key Plus, and click Setup, Setup, Continue, lots of extra buttons. And then you're going to say that you've got all the keys in here, and then you're going to start pairing. And then if it's an iPhone, you're going to see Add Car Key to the Wallet, a similar message on an Android device. And now it is literally creating the digital key and putting it right in the wallet. And so we wait a minute, and notice over here, it takes a second, but this is normal. So eventually we're going to get a message here and here that it's done, and you'll also see at the bottom how close it's getting to being done. So now we're going to have a little bit of dead space in our video as we wait. And then you're going to see that the screen tells you it's done. It's going to say finish on the car, so I'm going to tap on that. And you'll normally see that screen next. And in the phone, I'm going to hit continue. And then if you have a watch, which Mackenzie apparently does, you hit continue and double click. And then it's going to add it to the watch too. Yes, you can use your Apple Watch as a key to your car. And then when the watch is done, you'll see this screen right here. You click next again. And it says enjoy your ride, and we're going to do just that. Now she's going to be able to get into her car and start it with just her watch, just her phone, or the key. But are we done yet? No, we're not, because you'll notice that it also says key card. This key card, which for all intents and purposes is a valet card, it does not work the same as the phone or the key, which can work from a distance. This you'll have to tap on the door handle where the little lines are, and then you'll have to put right here in the charge pad to actually use it. And then as soon as you do, it launches this. We're going to say yes, continue. And then it's going to switch to key card active. And now this too is a way to drive the car. And you're all set to go. One more thing. In the wallet, which you either get to in the app or by double clicking on the right hand side, one of those choices now is the key to her car. And you'll notice down here, she's got other things she can do here from the wallet. Turn on and off the climate control, turn off the alarm, close or open the trunk, lock and unlock the car, and now she can share this to people. Just the way you share anything on an iPhone or an Android device, you click on the universal share button, you choose who you're going to send it to, and now before you actually do it, you're going to do privileges. So what can you do? Is it restricted driving, or is it unrestricted driving? Also, you can send it with an activation code so that you can make sure that somebody doesn't accidentally get it. So there's some protections around that. I click continue, then I get all my people who I want to send it to. So I can send it to a friend or family member to pick up my car from me somewhere, or if I have somebody in town who's borrowing the car, they can use their phone during that time. It's super, super convenient. I hope you enjoyed our video and that was helpful to you. As always, if you live in Washington or Idaho or Western Montana, I'd love to help you if you want to buy a Mini or if you have questions about your car. If you're in any other state or Oregon, please contact your local dealer. They're the ones that can help you, and they'd love to do so. You can reach me at 206-588-4216. That's 206-588-4216, or Michael at SeattleMini.com. That's Michael at SeattleMini.com.